In food manufacturing, reliability and consistency is key. At the core of reliable texture and consistent aeration is one essential ingredient, sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. As a trusted leavening agent, food-grade sodium bicarbonate reacts with acids to produce carbon dioxide, helping baked goods like breads, cakes, and cookies rise consistently. It also regulates pH, helping food manufacturers control acidity in processed foods, improving product stability and taste. But versatility is where sodium bicarbonate truly shines. Beyond food, it serves the pharmaceutical sector with its antacid properties, and it is also frequently used for cleaning and odor neutralization. Our sodium bicarbonate is manufactured to the highest purity standards, ensuring consistent performance, quality, and cost efficiency in production. Contact us today for more food-grade ingredients for manufacturing and production.